Made you jump. Ooh. Ooh. Found your tail. Fish got your tail? Huh? Fish got your tail? Huh? Fish got your tail? Woo, woo, woo! Charlie cannot get the fish. Can Charlie get a fish? Look how hungry it looks now. Whoa! Around the world! Around the world! Whoa, that really went around the world. Can Charlie get the fish? Woo! Can Charlie get the fish? I think you're just fascinated by the fish. Kind of scared to get a fish tank now.
There's something that's shiny and makes noise on a string.
I just don't understand. Well, hey, Pa, it shows you're not a cat because you're not attacking it yet.
He's a lot more interested than my cat is, though.
I don't think, but he is following like anything. He's like...
Nope, no interest in the foot.
He's gonna get it now! Okay, Pa, the fish didn't get me, I promise. He's making watch talk. Ah, the fish got Charlie! Ah, I got Charlie! I got Charlie! Yeah, you're getting some paw action. I feel it. I feel it. It's a moving car. Get it! Vroom, 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 vroom. Woo!
He like stands up and takes 2 steps and lays back down.
Okay, Pa, you win. You got the fish. Good boy, you got the fish. You got the fish.